over the last few days, I've had a number of calls, I think, seeking clarity on whether job keeper payments, whether business owners are eligible to get job keeper payments. Well, short answer is yes, they are. There are provisions within job keeper legislation which allows individuals who are sole traders, directors of a PTY limited company, major beneficiaries of a trust, partner of a partnership to get job keeper payments. It is very clearly legislated and documented by the tax office that they are eligible for it. Now, the confusion comes from the point that whether they should be on the payroll or not. Short answer, no, you don't need to be on payroll. We understand, and so does the tax office and the government, that small businesses tend not to have a lot of structure, particularly if you're a sole trader, in terms of paying yourself. So there are certainly eligibility criteria around it. The first and foremost is your revenue should be less than 30%. The drop should be more than 30%. That stays there. Then the subsequent parameters that the government has put in place is the entity should be registered for ABN as of 12th of March, which is when this legislation was brought in. And along with that, they are basically saying if you are a business who has done a tax return last year and there was assessable income in that business, you are eligible. Or as of July 19 to current date, which is 12th of March 2020, you have made taxable supply and it is registered somewhere, as in if you are registered for GST, you would have reported your taxable sales with tax office. That makes you eligible to get these payments. Now, the process behind it is, in order to get these payments, you need to register your interest. I'll put that link in my presentation, in my document, which I will send it through. Register your interest, and as of 20th of April, the government is going to release, the tax office is going to release a new link where you need to provide your information. Now, I strongly suggest you work with your accountant/advisor to go through that link and put information, because over the next 6 months, you are required to substantiate few things and you need to stay compliant with the tax office legislation and requirements. So, so keep working towards it, keep on it. There is a lot more details that are coming through as we go along. ATO is gonna send a lot more information in coming days and weeks. We are trying to keep updated with it every day. As and when more information comes through, I'll be passing it on to you guys. Thanks.